Hey, it's Laurent Aliav, and today we're going to talk about the difference between tenants in common on your property versus joint tenancy with right of survivorship or community property with right of survivorship. So on one hand, we have joint tenancy with right of survivorship, and on the other hand, we have tenants in common. And those are the two most common ways to hold title to your property. We're going to talk about it. But first, if you want to discuss anything further with me, go ahead and go to aliavlaw.com and schedule a meeting by going to the Contact Us button on the top. Okay, so let's get started. Tenancy in common is simply a partnership. You own a third, someone else owns a third, maybe the last person owns a third. Each one could do whatever they wish with their one-third interest upon death. So, for instance, your will says it goes to my children. Great. It'll go to your children. Your one-third interest will go to your children. However, your other partner says it goes to a charity. Then it would go to a charity. Now, if you have joint tenancy or community property with right of survivorship, that's a wholly separate thing, because whoever is on title with you will end up inheriting it, no matter if you have a trust or a will that says otherwise, because it trumps everything. It is above the trust and it's above the wills. So be careful. Make sure that you have the right designation on your on your deed. And if you have questions about it, I'd be happy to take a look at your deed and tell you what's the best way to go about it given your situation. Just remember, each time you transfer property, each time you mess around with title, that's an opportunity for the tax assessor's office to reassess your taxes. And that could be a huge problem. So don't go ahead and just change title right away, especially if you're in joint tenancy. There's specific rules for that as well. Again, if you need to talk to me, aliavlaw.com, and go to the Contact Us button and schedule a meeting. But that's it for today, guys.
Okay, if you enjoyed the video, your next step is to sign up for the webinar by clicking the link above. And if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and comment below. Be happy to address them. See you soon.